Hello, my name is Rick Borges. I'm with the Synopsys TCAD group. It is my great pleasure to welcome you to this webinar on Atomera's MST technology and TCAD. I'll spend a few minutes providing a market and Synopsys TCAD context for Atomera's MST technology before Dr. Robert Mears goes into the main webinar presentation. One of the main process technologies which can benefit from MST is BCD, bipolar CMOS-DMOS platforms. BCD is widely used in power management ICs that are found in many key markets, which in turn drive the development of many BCD derivatives needed to meet very diverse requirements. With TCAD, semiconductor manufacturers can use TCAD to more efficiently evaluate the benefit of MST and to guide its integration into the baseline process. MST also provides a benefit to other process technologies, which Robert will describe. At Synopsys, we've been working with Atomera for several years to enable the modeling of the MST technology with our Synopsys TCAD tools. An example of this modeling is indicated on the right side of the slide, where the impact of MST layers grown between boron markers is captured very well by the Synopsys process simulation. Updates to our band structure simulator, S-band, were also implemented to properly model the enhanced mobility observed in transistors built with MST. I'd like to emphasize that MSTCAD plugs into the Synopsys process and Synopsys device simulators, and that Synopsys Workbench projects are available for customer evaluation.